Hey, we're making Spanish rice and then we're making chicken enchiladas. The chicken enchiladas has mozzarella inside with the shredded chicken, and we are doing
toasting up the rice a little bit before we throw in the tomato sauce.
We're going to throw in tomato, and we're going to make homemade
green salsa. For the enchiladas. I have about 7-8 tomatillos, about 6 serranos, and half an onion. I don't have garlic, but I usually put that. And then I'll be adding salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some cilantro.
Okay.
Oh, and 2 poblano peppers that are currently being...
oh yeah, and the peppers that they're currently peeling right now. So, just going to toast it. See? And we just put this in. Okay? And, yeah, it looks delicious.
Adding a little bit of salt. Usually I like topping it off with some chicken broth, but I cheated and I used rotisserie chicken today, so you know, we use what we have. So we're just gonna let this toast up a bit, and then add water. Oh, I almost forgot.
She almost forgot.
This one's going to take a whole packet. That's why I didn't use all the tomato. Again,
see, I can use this as future reference when I want to make my own.
Alright.
And did you put a little oil with the rice?
Yes, I always put a little oil just to fry up the rice. So I get a little toasted first before putting the tomato sauce in the sazon packet. And I used the whole packet of sazon because I didn't use chicken bouillon or nor.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
All right, and then
now we're going to add some water.
That's pretty much how I want it, but of course you do add more water. And that is it. We're going to do it another quick stir, and then we're going to cover it, leave it alone for about 15 to 20 minutes. 15, I'll come back and check it. I'm not used to these stoves.
I know. I wish I had a gas stove, but they're electric. Boo. Okay, we'll be back when we start the peppers. I mean, the salsa. Yeah, the salsa. She's gonna bring it to a boil first and then cover it.
Yeah, and then once that comes to a boil, we're gonna cover it, and then we'll turn it down on low, like maybe a 3. And then we'll leave it alone, leave it alone for about 15 minutes. So it's boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and cover and turn it down. And then we love her and leave her alone.
Now we're gonna blend it. Okay, now we're going to pour the sauce on. Wow, look at that. Remember, we already have the Monterey Jack cheese, right? And the shredded chicken inside.
Yep, and then I'm extra, so now
More cheese. Brother Yoshi, if you watch this, I know you're loving this. All the cheese.
Oh yeah, he did love my enchiladas.
Yeah, he did. Wow. It looks like it's gonna be delicious. My daughter's tattoos are beautiful. We're making a good dinner because we're going to the casino tomorrow in Louisiana. So, looking forward to that.
Dad's dog sitting, so I gotta leave him some good food.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay, and then we're going to throw it in the oven.
Then we're gonna throw it in the oven until basically the cheese melts and has a nice little toasty crisp.
Okay, we'll take it all out when we're done. Okay, we just took the foil off. There's the enchiladas. There's the rice.
It didn't stick. See?
Didn't stick.
Nice and fluffy. Now we're ready to plate up.
It looks so good, guys. Yummy. And I think we're gonna, oh, look at that. It's cheesy gooiness.
And then
Ooh, the rice looks so good. That's plenty.
here we go. Then we just top it off with sour cream. And if anybody wants some extra cilantro on top for a little razzle dazzle. Here we go.
Nice.
My mom's
Thank you,
favorite
daughter.
meal.
It is my favorite.
You're
Thank
very
you,
welcome.
daughter.
I love you.
I love you too.